Hello, kindergarten friends, and welcome back to another Ckla lesson. Today we are doing Unit 2, Lesson 10. This is our last lesson in Unit 2. Thank you for all of your hard work. I know that you've become smarter by doing all these lessons. What I need you to do, as always, is go find a quiet spot where you can work without being interrupted and make sure you have your kindergarten kit. So press pause and do those things if you haven't already. And if you have, kiss your brain for being so smart and get yourself ready to go. In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on segmenting the sounds, 3 of them, and blending them back together to form a word. We'll also be playing an I Spy game with doing the same strategies, and we're going to be changing the ending sound of a word to give us a new word. Okay. Let us get ready. Our first word we're going to blend is called kiss. Get your arm out. Remember, shoulder, elbow, wrist. Okay, here we go. Kiss. K-is, k-is, kiss. Okay, our next word is sip. S-ip, s-ip, sip. Good work, kindergarten friends. Our third word is shape. Arm out. Sh-ape, sh-ape, shape. Good work. And our fourth word is tom. Arm out. T-om, tom. Good job so far. Halfway done with this section. 4 more to go. Our next word is coat. K-oat, k-oat, coat. Very good. Our next word is nut. N-ut, n-ut, nut. And our 7th word is zoom. Z-oom, z-oom, zoom. Very good. And our last word in this section, like. L-ike, l-ike, like. Okay, good work, kindergarten friends. I know that is very hard work and you're doing great. Okay, now what we're going to do is I have 6 objects picked out from my house, and I'm going to give you the sounds after I say I spy, and then I'm going to give you the sounds, and you have to guess what I'm talking about. Now I'll give you a few moments, and then I'll show you the object. Are you ready? Okay, make sure that you have your thinking cap on, tie it on tight, and get yourself ready to learn. Here we go. The first one, it goes like this. I spy a k-up, k-up. Yep, a cup. Excellent job so far. Are you ready? Here we go. I spy with my little eye a soap, soap. What is it? Yep, soap. You're doing great. Don't get frustrated. If you can't think of what it is, then I want you to slow down. Press pause on the video. Try it again until you hear it when you're doing it. Okay? Or you can just listen to me do it again and again. Whatever helps. I spy with my little eye a rock, rock. What's that? You ready? A rock. I spy a rock. Okay, 3 more objects to go. Here we go. I spy with my little eye a pen, pen. What is it? Think about it. N. 2 more objects to go. You're doing great. Here we go. I spy with my little eye a bag. Bag. What's that? Yep, a bag. Good job. And one more, okay? I spy with my little eye a block. Block. What is that? Think about it. Stretch it out again if you need to. That's right, a block. I spy with my little eye a block. Very good. You did an excellent job in that section. All right, for our next activity, I'm going to give you a base word, and I'm going to add a sound at the end, and you're going to tell me what the new word is. Okay? The base word is ray. Ray. Now, I'm going to add an n for the first one. Rain. Rain. What's my word? Rain. Good job. My next word is the base word again, ray, and I'm going to add a z at the end. Raise. Raise. What's the word? Raise. Good job. Okay. Now this time I'm going to have a s at the end. So remember the base word is ray. Race. 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 Good job, kindergarten friends. You're doing excellent. Our base word again is ray, and this time I'm going to add a k at the end. Are you ready? Let's try it together. Here we go. Arm out. Rake. 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 Good work. Our next word, I'm going to add a l at the end. Remember, it's ray, and then I'm going to add l. Okay? Rail. 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 Okay, you're doing great. Halfway done with this section, and then we're going to go into our last activity. The next words are going to have the base word of eat, and then I'll add a different sound on to give you your new word. Okay? But this time, I'm sorry, I misspoke. I'm going to give you the sound at the beginning. I meant to say beginning, not the end. The little switch. So a new base word, and then the sound is going to switch at the beginning, and the eat will be at the end and stay the same. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to add a at the beginning. So eat. Eat. Meat. Very good. For the next one, the letter at the sound at the beginning I'm going to add is the f sound. Ready? F, eat. F, eat. Feet. Good job, kindergarten friends. Our next word is going to have a s at the beginning. Remember, the ending is eat, and we're going to have s at the beginning. So let's try it. S, eat. S, eat. What's our word? Seat. Good job. The next word is going to have a n at the beginning. N. So this time, we're going to start with the n and end with eat. Here we go. N, eat. N, eat. Neat. Ooh, very good, kindergarten friends. I think you're finally starting to get the hang of this game. And we only have one more word, and then we're going to go into our last activity. This time you're going to add a sh to the beginning of eat. Are you ready? Arm out. Sh, eat. Sh, eat. What's my word? Sheet. Very good, kindergarten friends. Sheet. So, I am going to have you do one more thing for this lesson, and that is get out your kindergarten Unit 2 workbook, okay? Now, you're going to open up to the very end, and this looks just a little bit different than what we normally see. Normally, we have the number in the corner. In this section, we have the PP1. This is practice page 1. For this last set of pages, you're going to be practicing all of these PP numbers. PP1, PP2, and PP3, like this, and PP4 looks like this. Now every page that I just showed you, right here, look at this one, you've already done these. You've done all of these lines already and shapes. You've done these shapes, and you've done these shapes, and you've done these shapes. So you're required now for the rest of this video to do the last several pages in here. They're all review. I'm not going to model how to draw these again. You've already done it. You know how to do it. And then you have to submit your best page onto Seesaw and explain what we did in this lesson. The other thing I want to tell you, the games we just played, you could easily play them with someone in your house. Find some objects in your house that you can break apart the sounds and see if they can figure out what object is hiding behind your back. And if you can teach someone else the game, I know you really understand the material. Okay, so today was a pretty quick lesson. So I need you to spend a lot of time focusing on reviewing these shapes and writing them. Remember, a different color with each of these shapes. Pick a different color crayon for each one of these shapes. Now, this lesson that you're watching is a little shorter, so you have more time to work on all these pages of practice. Again, upload your best page to Seesaw and press submit. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Love ya.